And with the cameras and the coverage that this fight brings, your family and friends, well, they'll never forget. Even your little one. She might not be aware now, but the kids at school will call her a loser. Just like her father. I could break you right now. So I'll save it for the cameras. Not so confident now, are we?